Are you tired of getting sick? Do you want to boost your immune system? Then I have a perfect video for you. Hi, I'm Natsumi with fitYOGAfit. Welcome to yoga for the cold season. Hi everyone, let's sit down nice and tall, look straight, and rotate your shoulder backward. Try to do a big rotation of your shoulders to create space between your shoulder blades. Breathing in through the nose, out through the nose. Now, reverse, rotate your shoulder forward. Place your left palms down and extend your right arm to your left to stretch your right. Make sure to connect sitting bone down, crown reaching to the opposite side. And now do the other side. Reach your left arm to your right to stretch your left. If your neck is okay, look toward the ceiling. Keep your shoulder blades down to keep space between shoulders and ears. And bring your arm down. Interlace your hands behind, shoulder blades together. And look up, widen collarbones, sternum lifting up. Relax your shoulders, relax the back of your neck. Steady your breath. And release your arms. Let's take a tabletop pose. Palm right underneath your shoulders. Knee open about hip distance and look up and down. Inhale, arch your back. Exhale, roll your back. Inhale, crown reaching to the sky. Exhale, tuck your chin. Inhale, tailbone toward the ceiling. Exhale, core engaged. Inhale, press your palms down. Exhale, thrust your shoulder blades up toward the ceiling. Let's take downward facing dog and pedal your feet. Loosen up your shoulder and neck joints. And press your heels down. Walk your hands to your feet. Hug your elbows, slightly keep your knees bent. And gently swing your head sideways to release any tension on your neck and shoulders. And release your hands. And open your knees about mat distance, toes touch. Extend your arms forward and forehead rest on the mat. take a child pose. Breathing in through the nose, out through the nose. Enjoy this pose. Gain an energy. Now open your legs wide, sitting bone down, and extend your right arm to your left to stretch your right. Make sure to connect your sitting bone down on the mat. And keep breathing. Shoulder blades touch. Crown reaching to the opposite side. Use exhale to release any tension on your shoulders and neck. Now extend your left arm to your right. Stretch your left. Use your breath to release neck tension. Keep breathing. And back to center. Walk your hands forward. And use your exhale to release the muscle tension on your thighs. Study your breath. Just observe your breath. And enjoy your stretch. And walk your hands back. Put the bottom of your feet together. And rotate your neck twice one side, slowly. And the other side. Twice or 3 times. And back to center and forward bend. Drop your knee side. Tailbone connect to the floor. Shoulder blades down away from ears. Wonderful, my friends! This sequence is for fall and winter seasons. When it is cold out there, your body tenses. This session will improve blood flow by moving your body gently. I recommend you do it as often as you need. You can also check out my other videos on this subject in the comment section below. And make sure to subscribe to my channel and select the bell option to get notified of my future videos. See you soon!